If your car gets damaged tomorrow, will your insurer make the whole mess disappear or leave you with surprise bills and headaches? Today we're cutting through the noise on State Farm auto insurance in 2025 so you can decide if it's still worth the price hike. Quick promise, I'll give you the real strengths, the real risks, and one simple trick at the end that could save you hundreds a year. Stay with me. State Farm's biggest selling points are straightforward. They have a massive agent network, which means real people are available in your neighborhood when you need them. That still matters when a claim gets complicated. Their financial stability is solid, so payouts aren't a gamble. They offer strong bundling discounts if you combine auto with home or renter's coverage. Usage-based programs like Drive Safe and Save can lower premiums dramatically for safe drivers. And their claims process is easy enough. Mobile claim filing, photo uploads, and fast inspections are now standard. So why are people upset? Two things: price increases and regional risk. In 2025, there have been notable rate hikes in places hit by extreme weather and large losses. If you live in a high-risk area, especially where wildfires or frequent severe storms are common, your premium may have jumped. Regulators and consumer advocates have raised questions about filings in several states, so public frustration is real. For drivers with a history of accidents or poor credit, State Farm's rates can still be above average. Here's the practical trade-off. If you value stability, local support, and a known claims experience, State Farm still delivers a lot of value. If your priority is the absolute cheapest policy every year, or you live in a high-risk zone seeing steep increases, shopping other carriers could make sense. 3 quick features to watch for when you evaluate State Farm or any insurer. 1. Discount stacking, bundling, safe driver programs, vehicle safety features, student discounts, multi-car savings. Ask for each one. 2. Usage-based telematics. If you drive little or carefully, enrolling in a program can cut your bill more than a generic discount. 3. Claims experience, speed of payout, digital claim tools, and local adjuster availability. That's where agent-backed insurers usually outperform online-only companies. Common mistakes people make: relying on last year's rate to predict this year's. Insurance pricing is changing fast in many regions. Assuming bundling always saves money. Sometimes bundling helps, sometimes another carrier's base rate plus a separate home policy is cheaper. Compare. Overlooking small discounts. A defensive driving course, safety features, or paperless billing can add up. Now the trick I promised. The one simple step that often saves more than a single policy swap. Call your State Farm agent and ask for a full discount review. Then ask them to run a hypothetical quote with a usage-based program and with bundles removed. Ask specifically about pay-in-full discounts, passive safety feature credits, and whether low mileage or seasonal driver status applies. Agents can sometimes apply a retention credit or reveal a discount that isn't obvious online. It takes 10 minutes and frequently drops your premium more than shopping around. When to consider switching. If you've been hit with multiple consecutive increases and the agent can't explain or offset them. If your claims experience has been poor. Or if a competing insurer gives you a demonstrably better package when you factor in coverages and deductibles. Bottom line, State Farm remains a strong, dependable option in 2025 for many drivers, especially those who value agent access, reliable claims handling, and solid financial backing. But it's not automatically the cheapest, and regional risk is pushing rates up for some customers. Do this. Get an annual quote comparison, run the usage-based program scenario, and call your agent for a discount audit before deciding. If this helped you decide what to do next, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more practical reviews that save time and money. Want me to turn this into a short script you can record and post today? I'll format it for on-camera delivery.